Physics. We're all familiar with it, whether it's quarks, gravity, or the cosmic microwave background. However, the 2024 Nobel Prize for Physics was won for breakthroughs in AI? What's that about? Let's find out.
John J. Hopfield and Geoff Hinton won this prize, and for a good reason. Hopfield invented the Hopfield Network. A Hopfield network is a content-addressable memory. So instead of looking up memory number 23, you show a messy clue and it finds the closest stored pattern. The network is made up of neurons. These neurons are either negative or positive, and every neuron has a connection with all the others. Now, to teach it, we give it a pattern. Hebb's rule says that neurons that fire together wire together. This means that matching connections strengthen and opposite connections weaken. To have the network remember, we give it a noisy clue and update the neurons one by one, with them voting on what each one should be by using the connections they made previously. However, this network does have limits. Though it is great at filling in missing bits of information and recalling previous memories, it has limits. The diagram I've been showing of 9 interconnected neurons can only handle one memory reliably, with 2 or more making it almost impossible for it to function. So it needs considerably more neurons for it to store more than 1 or 2 memories. Geoff Hinton expands on this with his Boltzmann machine that takes the physics further. It adds hidden units and learns with randomness, so that the network discovers useful features on its own. So, in conclusion, Hinton and Hopfield brought spin, energy, and noise from physics into machine learning, paving the way for today's AI. And that's why the Physics Nobel Prize for 2024 honored breakthroughs in AI